Hello everyone. Recently I came across an app called Foxy app. So I purchased few things from there and discounts were good. Products also looked good. So let's unbox the item and see how it came. So first let's talk about the packaging. So it came in a very nicely carton box, and as you can see, this was the most attractive thing which I found. We all like purchasing online, and some or the other point of time we feel after the delivery that lots of plastic and paper wraps and everything come across with that. So somewhere or the other with our shopping we are adding up to the plastic waste. But here, as you can see, they claim that there is no sellotape also used on this. Whatever they have used is all paper. So that's what was unique about this, which I want to mention here. Now let's open it and see what's inside this. So what I ordered is just two things, one body wash and one lipstick of faces. And with each order which you make, they give you a surprise gift. So I don't know what else is inside this. So let's go and see what's there. The packaging of inside the box is also amazing. You can see inside also they have not used any thermocols or any paper wraps or bubble wraps. Inside also they have used something which is decomposable and not harmful to the environment. So that's very amazing about this. So let's see what all products I ordered. I ordered one Nivea body wash, which I am going to try for the first time. Then this is the lipstick of Faces Canada, which I actually liked. I never used this company. So this is again which I would look forward to use. Let's see how it has come. Okay. I would list all the prices, actual and discount prices, in the description box for your reference. The color is so good. It's matte and it's cream. It's really good. I actually like this quality. Now let's see what they have given as a surprise. Okay, let's see. This is a mini lipstick by Sugar. I never actually tried this Sugar brand also. Okay, as you can see, this is a very cute small lipstick, liquid lipstick by Sugar. This is my surprise gift which I didn't order. It came free with this. Okay, see this color. This color is also too good. So my first hand experience about this Foxy app, I'll say it's super good. It's too amazing. They promised to deliver on 13, although it came on 14. But I got a message, personalized message like, sorry for the delay, but we'll try to improve it for the next time. So that was also too good about them. And actually, I would suggest you to try this app. The product is good, packaging is good, and moreover, you get amazing discounts. And don't forget about your surprise gifts. Thank you.